This is how you have a secret chat with Chatgpt. You log into Chatgpt. Instead of clicking on new chat or just entering what you want to ask here, on the top right here we have a bubble, a speech bubble with dashed lines. And when I hover over it, it says turn on temporary chat. When you click on that, it says here, this chat won't appear in your chat history and won't be used to train our models. That means whatever you're chatting here will be secret and hopefully not saved. I don't know for sure if Chatgpt saves on the back end, but according to this, they shouldn't. And you could have all your chats like this with Chatgpt if you wanted. The big benefit of using the regular chat, though, is it remembers your conversations, and so it can draw in information from older conversations and the newer ones. So if you're talking about your business plans or your trip planning in different chats, they can all come together and Chatgpt can make sense of all of it and keep it all integrated. Whereas this one is gone as soon as you close this chat. And that's how you keep chat secret on Chatgpt. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to create a private server for MidJourney inside of Discord. Check out that video and I'll see you there.